Hello, my name is Alvin Schmidt. I'm an instructional technology specialist with Alvin Independent School District, and I wanted to show people how, since we're working at home, they may access their Office 365 accounts and install the Office suite on a home computer if they need to in order to be able to work more efficiently. So I am starting at office.com. Just regular old office.com. You can type it straight in your address bar and go right there, or you can Google it up and wind up here. When you get to this particular page, which is Welcome to Office, where you're going to want to click the Sign In button. And for the sign in, you're going to want to use your district credential, your district ID at alvinisd.onmicrosoft.com. So I am H. Schmidt at alvinisd.onmicrosoft.com. I'm going to click Next. Here I'm going to use the same password that I use to log into a computer every day. You will use your standard password to access Office 365 here. I'm going to click Sign In. And it's going to ask me if I want to stay signed in. If you don't want to have to enter that username and password every time you come to Office 365, you can say, yes, I would like to stay signed in. And then you will land here. This is your kind of landing page, home page for Office 365. It will show your initials to indicate that you are logged in. It will tell me that this is the account for Hayden Schmidt, so I know that it is me. I can choose to install Office by clicking here and getting the apps or looking at other install options. As a district employee or as a student for the district, either one, you have the opportunity to install the entire suite of Office apps up to 5 times, 5 separate installations. And then you can use those just as you would any place else. I did not intend this to really be a lesson in how to use any of these particular tools. If you are in love with Word or Excel or PowerPoint, you already know how to use those things. And so I just wanted to point out to you that by using your district credential, you have the ability to come and install them on a home computer to facilitate your working from home. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this short video today, and I hope you have a great day.